Transferring text messages from Android to iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11X is crucial for keeping important conversations. Although Android and iOS are different, there are 5 effective methods to make the transfer easy. Let's dive in. Method 1. Transfer text messages from Android to iPhone with phone transfer. Phone transfer lets you easily and securely transfer text messages, music, photos, and more between Android and iPhone. Try the free trial below. How to use phone transfer to copy text messages from Android to iPhone. Download and install phone transfer. Launch the program and connect your phones via USB cables. 2. After you connect the Android phone and iPhone to the computer, the program will detect them at the same time. Be sure the Android phone is the source device. That shows in the device list in the middle at the top. If not, you can click the drop-down to select the source phone. 3. Open the Messages category on the software to load all SMS from your Android device. Select the messages you wish to transfer and click Export to PC to save them in CSV format. Repeat the process for your iPhone, exporting its messages to a CSV file as well. 4. Open both CSV files, copy Android SMS data into the iPhone file, and save it as a new CSV. 5. Install eTools, connect your iPhone, go to Toolbox iTunes Backup or Restore. Select Messages, open SIMS, DB, and import the merged CSV file. Method 2. Transfer messages from Android to iPhone after setup via Move to iOS. Install Move to iOS from the Google Play Store. During setup, select Move Data from Android on the Apps and Data screen. Tap Continue to get a code. Open Move to iOS. Tap Continue. Agree to the terms, and enter the code from your iPhone. On the Transfer Data screen, select Messages, then tap Next on your Android to start the transfer. Method 3. Transfer SMS messages from Android to iPhone via SMS Backup Plus and email. Open Gmail on your computer. From the window of Gmail, click on Settings Forwarding and POP or IMAP. Enable IMAP. After enabling IMAP, you can install the SMS Backup Plus app on your Android phone and create a backup. Now, your text messages have been synced to Gmail successfully. Access them on the other device as long as you use the same Gmail account on the device. Just turn on your iPhone and set up your Gmail on it. Now, you can access all the text messages on your iPhone. On Android, sign into Google Drive, go to Settings Backup, enable Backup, and tap Backup Now for SMS. On iPhone, go to Settings Mail Accounts, select Google, and enter credentials to restore messages. Method 5. Make Android iPhone SMS transfer with Send Anywhere. Install Send Anywhere on both devices, grant storage permissions, and enable Wi-Fi. Set Android as sender and iPhone as receiver. Select Messages, enter the code, and tap Upload to transfer.